So it's a cold winter's day and you want to warm yourself up with a sugary warm coco moco cappuccino thing full of sugar and fat and throw it down the old hatch. But what if I told you you can still have that warm creamy coffee taste, but one without the high amounts of sugar and fat and also adding a little bit more protein? In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can drink your delicious warm creamy coffee with just 3 to 4 ingredients, making you anabolic. So let's go ahead and get into this video. First ingredient, you're gonna need some kind of milk. Almond, skim, oat, soy, cow, or even green milk. Then you're gonna need some protein powder, whey, casein, pea, hemp, egg, whatever kind of protein you like. And the next ingredient, if you want, could be a 0-calorie sweetener of your choice. And most importantly, you need your coffee. Regular or decaf's gonna work. You can make it however you like. In this video, I'm just going to be using a Keurig because I don't know how to make fancy bougie coffee, and because I'm not really a coffee guy, but I do like this recipe. And as your coffee is brewing up, go ahead and add 4 ounces or 3 ounces of the milk of your choice to a shaker cup, and then you're going to go ahead and add 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder. Whatever flavor you like, does not matter. And then once you do that, then you're going to go ahead and close the cap and shake it up. Once you're done shaking it, go ahead and look at it. It should look pretty disgusting, ooey, but we're gonna go ahead and add some sweetener to it if you want. You don't have to. And then we're gonna go ahead and pour the coffee into the cup. Oh yeah, this is where it gets exciting. Then once you do that, you're gonna go ahead and close the cap again, and you're gonna go ahead and shake it up. Make sure the cap is on all the way tight, because if you are like me, I messed up and I made a big mess, and because it wasn't sealed all the way. So don't be like me. Make sure it's on all the way tight, cap's on tight, and shake it as hard as you can. And then once you shake it up, go ahead and pour your drink into your favorite coffee cup. I really like this Darth Vader coffee cup that I got a few years back. Comment down below, what is your favorite Star Wars movie? Mine personally would have to be either Revenge of the Sith or it'd have to be Return of the Jedi. But go ahead and comment that down below. Now let's go ahead and taste this coffee.
3, 2, 1, go!
Very delicious, my friend. And now you're in an anabolic stage while satisfying your taste buds. If you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Lifting his name on high.